Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you where the pollen filter is located on this 2009 Suzuki Alto. So first of all, we're going to come over to the passenger side, open the passenger door, and this is the side of the car that the pollen filter is located. So we've got this glove box area here on the left hand side, and what we need to do is remove this cover that's on the inside here. Now this slides upwards. You don't need a screwdriver or anything, you don't need to pry this out, you just slide it upwards. And as you can see, you've got these tabs here which lock it into place. So once that's out of the way, if we look in here, we can see the heater motor and the heater resistor on the right hand side of the wires going into it. But this is the cover we're interested in. As you can see, it's got an arrow saying pointing up in the middle of it. But we're going to push this tab on the left hand side and just lift that little cover out, and as you can see, that's where the pollen filter is. So it's quite easy to remove. You just pull it out. As you can see, there's a little tab on it to grab it, and there you go. This one's obviously past its sell by date, so I'll be replacing this. Quite dirty. But yeah, that's about it, guys. Just make sure you get it pointing up the same way the cover says with the arrow, so you get your airflow going the right way through the filter. But yeah, it's as simple as that, really. That's obviously the heater motor inside there. This one's spinning nice and free, but that's the location. And here is a heater resistor. If you ever have a problem with the speeds on your heater, that's where you find a resistor for it. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.